Okay, so we were doing the where condition, right? Where we,
Yes.
okay. So, okay, now you can navigate there uh, to W3, practice the where condition, okay. Okay, so you see the example. Um, okay, so let's first write our, can you go to our Confluence page first? We'll write the command, then write. Did we write here? Okay, yeah, select from table name and where here value. Okay, so we are good. Okay, now we can practice there. Sorry. Okay, so first read the syntax here, you see. So, can you read here?
Yeah.
Uh, all.
Select from customers.
Yeah, so you have
Yeah,
to
from
read
all
all. Yeah, okay.
from customers. Where country is equal to Mexico.
Yeah, so there are multiple countries, okay? But mm, for you, you are planning to filter only customers from Mexico. That's the question, right? That's the business question. Okay. So now you can try it out. And okay, run SQL. Okay. So you see only the last column, the country, you see all the records. So why you are seeing all the records? Because you only ask the uh, condition is country here, right? So that's why it's coming Mexico. So if you don't want to see all the fields, maybe if you just want to see the customer name, just instead of asterisk, just write contact name. Oh, yeah, just write contact name. That's the shortest name we can see, right? Name. No. Is that the way name is written? No, you don't get the data. You have to follow exact name format in the table. Yeah. So now run and see. You will get only the customer name. And yeah. Okay. So can you insert one more column there? Country also, comma country. No, the field, I'm talking field. You see now the records only showing customer name only, right? But it's kind of confusing us. Just put comma and write the city name. I don't know how the column look like. Do you want to see how the column look like? Is it city?
Yes. Let me
Yeah,
go
just
back.
type, no, just type city. That's okay. And see if it is not valid, then it will tell you. Run SQL. Yeah, that's it. So now execute the command. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You see city, right? That's it. So that how now remove both of them, city and contact name, and just put asterisk all. Okay, now run. Okay, now you can play around, right? So you got it, this concept, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we know filter data. Next one, we want to learn sort data, right? Cancel. So step six, sort data, SORT, sort data. Inside the bracket, you can write order by. Order, ORDER, order by. Okay. Um, Order by, we can, the keyword is, you are using select only. Okay. Select all, select all from. Hey, Sean, can you follow the standard? I don't see a space there. Okay. From space, table name, order by So now you have to write the column name here. Okay. So which column you need to order. Okay. Close. Okay. Now you can navigate there. You can double check there. Okay. Order by. Can you read the syntax easy? What they're doing?
Select all from products and order by price in the sort data, right?
Can you see the data or the table down? Okay. So you see, there are different price, right? They want to order by price. I don't know how this is going to come, descending or ascending. So that's what we're gonna find out, right? Like there are some values, $18, $19. So let's go and try it out and let's explore. Yeah, go up. No, no, click here. Yeah, click. Okay, run SQL. Okay, so is came the smallest price came ascending order, right? The smallest price came up. You see,
Yes.
it came ascending order. So um, remember when you
Yeah.
give order by, it's giving ascending. Okay, so do you have any question like how do you do? Can we bring the big price up like the descending order? Is it possible?
Yes. No, order by is only for ascending, right?
No, we can do the descending order also. Can you go to that page? Close. If you run the, can you close the whatever you open everything close here? Don't keep on. Yeah, close everything. Only the keep the main page. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Um, you can order by descending order. Um, you don't. I don't want to go more detail. Like we have only 30 minutes, but you see the end up the syntax here. ASC, DSC, down, syntax. You see down?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you type this four keyword, um, by default, it's giving ascending order. That means the lowest price come up. But if you, let's say, you are running a report, your business stakeholder want to know what are the top 10 um, the values we sold, right? Like, or like the most highest value. Like there are other way we can find out the most highest value, lowest value. But this command also you can use, like if you write simply DESC and you can find out, right? Like just try that one because I don't want to introduce a lot of complexity. Price, yeah, space DESC. Okay, now try the biggest price
Yeah.
up, right?
Yes.
Remember. Okay, so these are the important question can ask in the interview, and also these are the important techniques when you are working with SQL. Like immediately you can find out, right? Like it's like a search option. Are we good?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So next one, step number I don't know 7, update record, update data. Okay. So here you will never do update unless you are doing in some testing or anything, but it's good to know the syntax always. Okay, just enter
What's a
update,
keyword for this?
update, yeah, update. Okay,
Okay.
enter. Now write update, uppercase,
Yes.
table name. Are you getting, Sean?
Yes. Totally. I'm good.
Okay, yeah, because I don't want to do it myself and show you, because listening is not going to work. You have to do it, you have to execute. That's my point.
Yes.
Okay. Where we are now, update table. So after the table, now you have to use another keyword, set, S-E-T, set, S-E-T. Okay. And now which column you need to update? Here you have to give, okay. Column name,
Column number, right?
e yeah, column number, and equal sign, and what is the data you want to update, okay, like value here.
Okay.
This is the new value, okay, value, just write new value, no space, and after equal sign, can you give a space, okay, and new value, okay. So now you have to write the where, no closing. How it does know what to update? Here, this is the new value you are saying.
Okay.
Are you getting right? Like, because you are, read your question again. So you are saying update customer table, set country value India. So you are saying what to do, but w- which record I should update it? You have to tell, right? Which record I should update. You are not telling that piece, right? You got
Okay.
my,
Where to include that?
yeah.
Yeah. But
So
I thought the new value is that India.
yeah, new value is India, but what should I replace it with? What is the old value?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We didn't tell, right? We are telling, okay, we need the country value as India, but what is the old value? So we have to tell the old value also, right? How to tell the old value, that we can use the where condition. Okay, enter.
Okay.
Yeah, enter. So we can write in the second line. Okay, where same column, right? You use the same column. Column 3, oh, like um, column 1, maybe you can tell customer ID or like anything, fine, okay. Column 1, column 2, column 3, which record you need to update. That's the only keyword you have to give here. Where equal, here you write existing value, the old value. It's weird, right? Like value, close the statement.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can navigate and see an example, then you'll understand better. Update. Up, you're very fast. I saw update there. Go up slowly. That one. Okay. You see syntax. First, hold on. So you see update table name, set column 1, 2, 3, and so here the left side you are giving the new value, what to set, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can give multiple values, right? They're like different columns you can give there. We just give only the column 1 and the value 1, right? And that,
Here they are providing two values, right?
yeah, 2, or you can 3, whatever you want, okay? And the where condition, okay? Scroll down. Let's see if you can try this one. Okay, so this is the table name, okay? Scroll down. Okay, update. Okay, let's see, read this example. Okay, I don't think so you can execute. That's why there is example. So can you read this
Okay. Yeah.
example?
Update customers. Set
Hmm.
contact name is equal to Alfred.
Hold on. What is customers here?
Customers ID.
No.
Sorry.
What is customers?
Customers. Yeah. The existing the column I need to update.
No. You see, That's the go back to your Confluence page. After update, what you have?
Table name.
Yes. Now go back. That's the answer I was looking. Okay. Okay. So the after update keyword, you have to. It's a program, Sean. You have to clearly tell what to do, right? So you are saying update table name. What table to update? That's why they gave even
Customers.
customers. So even they have written there, the selection from the customers table will now look like this, right? So you see, that's why they're telling. So first you have
Yeah.
to tell which table you need to update, then only the first entry point, that one. Okay. So second, now read the second line.
Okay. Set contact name Alfred Schmidt. City is equal to Frankfurt.
So what these are the new values, right?
Yes.
Isn't it? Right? These are new
Yeah.
values.
Yeah.
Okay. So new value. uh, how the system know where to update this one? It's saying
The customer one ID one.
ID1 update this new value, right? So they are updating customer contact name Alfredes Schmidt and the city to Frankfurt. So it's already updated. You see the first row?
Okay, and they are updating only contact name and city. All the others are remain same, right?
That's right. Yeah. You just need to give,
Okay.
yeah, the customer will call, this is the scenario. Customer is calling you and saying that I gave my mobile number wrong, and also my email ID wrong. That's belong to my husband. I want to update this one, right? That's a use case. And what you do, you pull up the customer table. Okay, write the update command. You are just set customer name. Okay, and provide the what is the new value, right? New value. Um, and what is the phone number? Equal phone number and where customer ID.
Okay.
You got it right?
Okay, fine. Yes, yes.
Okay. So next, go to our Confluence page. The last one is delete data.
Delete, right?
Yeah, delete data. Yeah, delete command. Yeah.
For this, we can use select.
We are not using, so there is a keyword directly delete. Like update, we have update, right? Like that we have select, right? So you have to use, it's not the select, we have to use the um,
Delete.
delete command. Okay, so delete, that's a command. Select is for loading the data. Where is the condition, right? So delete from, you have to always tell the table name first. From
Okay.
table name.
Table. mm, Okay, delete
From,
table.
no,
Okay.
delete from
Table name.
table name. Now write the where condition. Which record you want to delete? Insert
Okay.
where uh, column 1 equal value. Close. This is how you can delete the record. Close. So now you can navigate and let's read one example.
Yeah. Delete from table name where we want to delete it.
Mhm.
Condition. Here we provide the table name customers, then where
Okay. So you see, it's
customers name.
very straightforward, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here also I don't have the execute section.
Because they don't want to. That's why they don't want to like give access this type of thing in production also. When you join your company also, this is the case. They will not allow to modify any record, right? No new creation, no update, no delete. Okay, so that's okay. This is how it looks like.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so you can practice by your own. Like now you pretty much you have your all commands, right? Just publish this one, update this one. So either whatever the database you have, just copy and paste the command and insert some values and practice update and delete and everything. Okay, so now one more important, very very important is um, we learn sorting the data. What else? Joins. So next one, step number 9. There are other so many things like can you navigate there? I'll just show you. I will not include here. So here somewhere you see wildcard. You see wildcard. Mm, you can
Yes.
okay, yeah, go there. Okay, so you see wildcard mean extensive search here. Okay, so you can see include more filter condition to your search. Okay, you see select from all from customers where customer name like you see the first letter, right? So if you know the cu- customer first letter, but you are not sure the rest of the name, right? So you can use this wildcard. Just type the A and you can look for the customer, right? Because you are not sure customer name. Yeah, try that one. Yeah. So it will give you the customer name starting with A, everything.
Okay, it's also kind of filter.
Yeah, so you have scenario, right? You don't customers telling I don't recall the date, but I know somewhere it's June. I don't recall the product name, but it's something start with W or something like. There are some scenarios,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So how do you handle in SQL? So if the scenarios like that, whatever your guess is, write the guess there before the percentage sign and you run the search and you can able to search that one, right? So you can include multiple after before. You can um, if you place the A after percentage sign, that means the last letter is A, rest I don't remember. You got it, right?
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
got it, got it.
And also you
What
can
if we can fetch the middle of the portion?
middle of the portion also you can do. Let's say the customer is telling I don't recall what is the beginning and I don't recall it what is the ending. You can just what you do, right? Like can you remove that A? No, you don't need to remove it. Just keep it. Sorry, just keep the A. Control C. Okay. Now put one more percentage in front of that. One more
Okay.
percentage sign. Okay. So now this is the condition. You yeah. You want to execute and see.
Okay, can I do here any kind of address like that?
So
Over.
if you want to give address, you have to give the address name, right? Like as a column. But your search, you see, you have given all the
Okay,
yeah.
customer
So
name.
yeah, so you have to give right condition there. Yeah, is that what
Yes.
you were looking for?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, okay. So you can do the search. You are good, right? Like it's very easy. You can use this wildcard percentage sign, and you can search whatever the data you are looking for.
The percentage is important here, right?
Yeah, so that's we call as wildcard symbol. Yes, but after like keyword, you can pretty much search whatever options you are looking for here.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe if you want to insert this wildcard also there, that's good, right? So you will not forget. So again, I'm
Okay.
saying this everything will wipe out after 7 days or 8 days. Make sure
I
you
will
take a note
I will
or
get a backup. Yeah.
yeah, maybe you can create a GitHub page or LinkedIn or somewhere accessible. Just upload it.
Okay.
Step number 9, a wildcard maybe. Yeah, I was not planning to tell you, but since you are interested, then the more the more filter you provide and easy to search. Like,
The command is what?
like,
Like
yeah, like and percentage. Yeah, percentage. Okay. You can copy the same command here, whatever you wrote it. So you remember this is your own command, right? So you wrote it.
yes.
It's a sample. So um, so maybe just copy and you have to put a note there, right? So the percentage you can edit there if you know the first letter, and you have to write the first letter or the first couple of letters and the percentage sign. If you know the middle letters, and you have to give the sample like this. If you know the last letter, yeah. So maybe copy and paste it 2 times, the same command. Just include the other examples also.
Okay. This is to filter the last letter, right?
Yeah. So however you want to enter the some comment, you can write it here. Okay. Otherwise, you will forget.
Okay. Good with this.
You're good with this one? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So the next one, very, very important. Almost all the interviews, this question will be asked. Okay. Joins.
Yeah, I have heard about that.
Yeah. So without join, there is no interview. So this is the most important question in the interview they are asking. The last step. Yeah. Step number 10, join. Not joins, join. Join. Join tables.
Joint. Join. Okay.
No T. No T.
Okay.
Re- Remove T, join tables inside the bracket if you want, right? Very important. Okay. This is the first thing you will practice with the select command. Very important. Okay. So let's try to build a note here. Okay. So for the join, you need to have at least 2 tables. Okay.
Okay, that's why you can join.
Yeah. So why you are joining, that's the main purpose, right? If you have only one table, you can write simply select command and where condition, and you can fetch your data, right? So if you have more than 2 tables in a production environment, customers demographics data like personal information will be in a different table. Customer, how many accounts they have and what they purchase, how many products they have, those are in a different table, right? And there are multiple table. So if you ask me why do we have to have a multiple tables, it's manageable, and also, as I said, in production environment, there are billions or millions of records. To keep track of this data, so we have to create multiple tables. But um, in production environment, if you click one report, okay, show me last top 10 customers, how much they purchased, when did they become a customer. So those kind of report, we have to combine 2 or 3 tables. Okay. So to join a table, you should have a how do I call common reference? Common reference uh, column should be there in the both tables. Otherwise, you cannot uh, combine or join two tables. Okay, so let's write one sample statement command. Then I'll show you one example. Okay, so first you have to start with select command. Okay, so now write select table 1 dot dot column 1. Okay, comma table 2 dot column 1 or column 2, whatever column. Okay, so you understood this statement, right? What you are doing, we are first we are selecting what are the columns we need from both tables, right? So we are saying from table 1 we need column 1, table 2 we need from table 2 we need column 2, or you can write table 3 we need column 4, or whatever. How many tables you are going to combine or join, you have to give that first thing. So this doesn't change. You understood this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now enter. So now you have to give the first table. So how do you know if you have two tables, which is the first table? Right? From FROM from. So how do you know which table is your first table?
And the customer IDs, series number, like that. Okay, every table has starts from one. Okay, I don't know.
Yeah. So here it depends which table you need. You should have a reference table, right? Like maybe um, we can use the customer table as a reference. That's your base table. So you try to find data for these customers, right? How much, what product they are using, how much, what they purchased from us, right? Like your base is customer table. But again, you can keep the your sales table also as a base. So it depends on you what business question you try to answer here, right? So don't get confused. You have to give one table as a reference table. That's the main thing here. Either table 1 or table 2. So always I'll give you one technique. Write the first table, whatever the table you are writing, that table as the your reference table. So we will go with the table 1 here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Table 1. Enter. Okay. So here there are different type of joins there. Okay. Inner join, you will hear inner join, left join, right join. You don't need to worry
Can
like
I
it's
go to this
no,
page?
don't go there. I want to write full
Okay.
syntax first, then we'll go there. Okay. So
Okay.
here we try to combine all the data. So we can simply write join, uppercase JOIN, join space. So now you are writing the other table name, the the second table name, table 2. Okay. Is it clear now? First table 1 there and join. Now enter. Okay. On okay, space. So here you have to write the condition. Which condition from this both table I should join, right? You are telling to system, first statement you are saying what columns system should fetch, and first you are giving from your base table, reference table, and second you are giving the your right side table and what is the target table. And now you are saying what is the common criteria to combine or join these tables. Okay. So now uh, we can write table 1, because there are two type of table. That's why we are giving before we write the column name, we are giving the table reference first, okay? Table 1 dot customer ID, equal table 2 customer ID. You see, you did a mistake there, right? So table 2, no space. No space. You are not writing a letter there. So you are writing a syntax. So you cannot give space. You have to put, you see table 2. You have to put, how do I, you have to write period there after table 2 dot. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So if you miss this one, your command will not work. Okay, so when you're writing code, you have to be very careful. Even one small letter and your code will not work. Okay, so now publish this one.
To join a table, we need something common from both the tables, like
That's
this
right.
customer ID.
Yeah, so customer ID is a primary key for the table 1, and the other table, this is a foreign key. So I don't want to confuse primary key and foreign key. We'll talk in a different day, primary key and foreign key. But the table 1, the customer ID is the primary key. For the table 2, that is a foreign key, because the that primary ID, the customer ID is already declared in the table 1 as the primary key. Okay, so now let's navigate to the website. Okay, so go to joins. Okay. Okay. No faster. Okay. So just read it for me. Can you please read it?
Yeah, the join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Here
Mm-hmm.
are some different types of joins in SQL. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Inner join returns only rows that have matching values in both tables.
Mm-hmm.
Like this only we are doing the previous
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
right
yeah.
match. Left outer join returns all rows from the left table and only matched rows from the right table. A right outer join returns all rows from the right table and only matched the rows from the left table. A full outer join returns all rows when there is a match in either the left or right table.
Yeah. In generic, we'll just write the join, the bring the records from both the table, matching record, the first one. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So now can you read this example?
Select orders dot order ID, customers dot customer name, orders dot order date. From orders, inner join. Customers on orders, customer ID is equal to customers dot customer ID.
Okay. So you got it right. Like we are taking order ID from order table. Hold on. Customer's name from the customer table. And we are taking one more field name from orders table, which is the order date,
Date.
right? So the left side table will go first from orders, and the next one after the with the join condition will go the next table, the target table. So inner join customers on. So you see the orders dot customer ID equal customers dot customer ID. So you have to give that foreign key and the primary key there. Okay. So now you can go to try it out. Click try it out. So if this call disconnected, that should be fine. Can you execute quickly?
Okay.
Did you execute?
Yeah. And
Run
yes, I
run,
have. Yeah.
run SQL. Did you? Sorry, I didn't see.
Yes.
Okay, so you see these